Hi there, and welcome to this week's Quick Tip Tuesday. Before we get started, please like and subscribe to our channel below to make sure you never miss a video. Are you looking for the highest powered machines we offer? Then look no further than our ALFe Series. The ALFe Series delivers safe, precise, and reliable heat that are ideal for repair shops that require high-end heat to release these parts, panel bond adhesives from steel or aluminum. The ALFe Series brings some serious heat to your toughest jobs. Featuring adjustable power and customizable attachments, the ALFe machines are available in 3,500, 5,000, 13,000 kilowatts. The ALFe Series heats metal parts to the required temperature, saving time, consumables, and salvaging parts normally discarded in the repair process. Some of the most common applications are shrink fitting, hardening, curing, graphic removal, straightening, and annealing. Give us a call today to find out which ALFe product is the best solution for you. Thanks for tuning in.